situation niya, may kasama siya, may katuwang siya all the way. Ako at some point, nawala ng katuwang, and you know, when you're raising 5 children, you need more hands. So, doon kami nagkaiba ni Jelly. Yun, so, mas jealous ako doon sa part na yun. Si Jelly, mas jelly siya, hindi, kaya ko to. We can do this.
Gusto kong sundutin yung tanong mo kanina kasi ang sarap balikan. You are a mother of grown-ups na rin naman, may sarili ng kinikwento mo sa amin ngayon kung paano kayo, di ba? What are you most afraid of, Mare, sa buhay nila ngayon? Kasi may nasa showbiz, may nasa corporate, may isang hindi pa alam kung anong gusto, kung production ba or what. Ano kinatatakot mo? Considering they're grown-up na, Mare, ha?
I think yung pinaka-kinakatakot ko is any parents worry that masaktan sila or harm will befall them. I think yun lang naman. After a while kasi, yung mga anak mo, hindi na sa'yo yan eh. Kasi may sarili na silang diskarte, may sarili silang desisyon, gagawin na nila yung gusto nila kahit na anong sabihin mo. So you just have to hope and pray that you raised them well and did something right. Diba? So when you see them doing their thing, parang okay naman. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Yung ganon. Tapos, syempre pagka magkamali man sila, you still have to pat them on the back and say na, it's okay.
Back to you, Alex.
May ba? Charot! Tawag dito. Teka, isa na lang nga. Baka sabihin nyo.
Pwede kayo
may monopoly ako.
Actually, I do have a
follow-up to that.
Okay.
Given that all your children are grown up, are there any things that you think you still want to teach them, or may parang they have some things to learn pa from you?
Ay, nako, meron pa. Siyempre, decisions. Pero, marami din naman akong ginawang mali eh. So, di ba? Hindi ako pwedeng magmagaling. So, you just sit there, support them, not say anything, be there to catch them when they fall, di ba? Yun lang naman yun.
Grabe Chris, Miss Hannah. Yung honesty, parang kaya siguro, hindi perfect, pero perfect na. Ang ganyan naman klase ang nanay, di ba? Parang, Morris, ngayon ko lang naririnig sa'yo to. We've been friends for years, pero ngayon ko lang narinig yung flaws mo na inaamin mo, and then, galing.
Dapat kung may unang-unang aamin ng flaws, dapat magulang. So that alam ng mga anak mo na hindi nila isipin na masamang magkamali. Kasi lahat naman tayo nagkakamali, di ba? You know, na hindi masamang, I'm sorry, na hindi masamang mag-thank you, mag-please, di ba? Because those are the first basic things that you teach your children. If you cannot do it yourself, huwag mo na ituto. Kasi they learn by example. And if you cannot be an example, walang silbi lahat yan.
Actually, touching on that, has there ever been a moment na you kind of regretted doing something sa mga anak mo now that you're looking back on how they were when they were growing up?
Yes. Sana mas naturuan ko pa sila ng life skills. Gaya ng, lagi naming argument ng mga anak ko ay pagliligpit. Okay, pagliligpit, hindi na kasi ako marunong mag-plansya. Pero marunong ako sa bahay. Yun ang feeling ko because I kind of babied them. Medyo nabibi ko sila. Ay, aminado ako doon. Na hindi ko sila naturuan magwalis. Magwalis.
Simple lang.
Marunong magwalis sa mga anak ko Kaya sila marunong magwalis. Ligpit? Oh my God. Hindi. Hindi talaga. So, sana, at some point, mas na-push ko silang gumawa nun. Yun ang mga big regrets ko. Nakakatawa pa. Totoong regret yun Totoong regret yun.
You're now a mother to adult children, and now looking at them having their own careers, making a name for themselves in their own way. What are you most proud of in seeing them?
I am the proudest of everybody. Regardless of what they are doing, they seem to be doing it well. They seem to be adjusting well. they seem to be adapting to whatever situation comes. Every day, my prayer is to make gusto ko lang yung mga anak ko maging mas successful sa akin.
Oh.
Actually, yeah, touching on that, your daughter is also a dreamscape baby.
Kaya,
Yeah, and seeing how successful she is right now, do you feel proud when people say, anak talaga siya ni Jens?
baliktad na nga. Nanay na nga ako ni Kyla. Oo, nanay na ako ni Kyla. That's how proud I am. Diba? Hindi na sila anak ni Janice. Nanay na ako ni Kyla.
Oh.
I am really very proud of her. And I'm happy that she was, when she started this, nakaalagwa siya ng hindi niya ako kinailangan. Yun, isa yun sa very proud moment.
Miss Hannah, if I may add, hindi nga niya alam ang schedule ng anak mo. Sabi ko, Mars, nag-Asian Academy Awards siya. Kailan nga ba ito? Hindi niya alam.
Oh, recently lang. Oh, yeah.
I know, di ba, she was, parang, di ba, she was involved in the, aware siya, pero hindi niya iyayabang. Proud
Even
siya,
when-
you can tell.
Even when we were still living in one house,
Mm.
hindi ko alam completely yung schedule niya.
Di ba, di mo nga alam, pinalakpakan yung anak mo sa management preview, ng linlang, di ba?
Basta pag naririnig ko yun, syempre happy ako, di ba? Kasi gusto ko i-savor niya yung moment on her own. Kasi gusto ko ma-savor niya yan. Para she doesn't always have to think na, nako, matutuwa kaya si mami, matutuwa kaya si mama pag nakita niya itong work ko, o baka mainis siya, magalit siya, o sabihin niya, hindi ko
okay.
ginawa well. So I want her to savor it on her own. So that when she says that I did this on my own, it's actually true.
At saka naririnig mo sa tao, talagang nagugulat ka na lang, o pumilalapit, ang galing ng anak mo.
Kasi hindi ko naman tinatanong yung mga eksena niya. Kaya minsan pag may napapanood ako eksena niya, ay, oo, okay pala. Kaya sometimes I'll take a screenshot. Tapos, sisend ko sa papost ko, yung wow, galing mo pala. Ganon. Di ba? So, yun lang yun.
Ang swerte siya talaga yung nag-complete showbiz career pathing, parang talagang ngayon she has a new show, tapos nanonominate for Best Supporting sa Asian Academy Creative.
I'm super happy for her. I'm super happy for her. Kaya nga, di man niya nababag yung award, sabi ko sa kanya, next time, okay lang yan.
In God's time.
Yeah, it will happen. If it's for you, it will happen. Di ba? If it's not, basta sinabi nila magaling ka at alam mong ginawa mong best mo, okay tayo dyan.
Okay. Go ahead, Miss Hannah, Christopher, Alex.
You said a while ago that you have many regrets sa mga anak mo, which to my understanding is parang failure as a mom.
Well, one of my biggest failures